These are the colors that we use for making our gummy bear. Now I use the blue one, but I used all three colors. I use also 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. I start my work by making 6 single crochets in a magic ring. For the round 2 we make 6 increases until we have 12 single crochets. After the first stitch, place our stitch marker and go on the work. This is one increase. Second increase, 1 and 2. And continue until we have 12 single crochets. For the round 3 we make 1 single crochet and 1 increase for 6 times until we have 18 single crochets. This is round 4 and we make a tail and 2 puffs in this round. So we start with 1 single crochet, place our stitch marker so we don't lose our first single crochet, and then we're going to make 1 bubble stitch. This bubble stitch is made with 3 double crochet, 6 single crochet, 1 bubble stitch. This is our first puffs, and we make this bubble stitch with 4 double crochet. Three single crochet, the last bubble stitch with 4 double crochet, and finish the round with 5 single crochets. Now from round 5 to 7 we make 3 round with 18 single crochets. Now we arrived in the round 8. In this round we are going to make the ends of our gummy bear, and we start our work making 8 single crochet. Now it's time to make the arms, and we make 1 bubble stitch with 3 double crochet in there, and after 4 single crochets, and we are going to repeat the bubble stitch and 4 single crochet for another times. Round 9 we make 1 single crochet and 1 decrease for 6 times until we have 12 single crochet, and then the body is almost finished, and in the next round we starting to crochet the head. Now we can fill our gummy bear with a fiber fill. Round 10 we are going to make 12 increases. In this round we're going to make in the first 10 stitch 10 single crochet. Increase and 1 single crochet for 2 times. 1 single crochet, and again 1 increase and 1 single crochet for 2 times. And then 5 single crochet. Round 12, 2 single crochet and 1 decrease for 7 times. Round 13, start with 7 single crochet. One decrease and 2 single crochet for 2 times. One decrease and 4 single crochet. In the round 14 we make 18 single crochets. Round 15, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease for 6 times until we have 12 single crochet, and after that, at the end of this row, we can fill our head. Now, for our last round, we're going to make 6 decreases and then we close the work. So now we are to the end, and 3 single crochet apart from the center we attach our yarn, make a slip stitch, and then we are going to make our ears. Start with a double crochet in the first stitch, one half double crochet in the next stitch, and then a single crochet or slip stitch as you want for close our ears. For the next one, we start near the center, and we're going to make one single crochet distance from the center. We're going to make a slip stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch. We're going to make the same work as before, but from the end to the start. And then one double crochet and a slip stitch and close it. Chain 1, slip stitch and close the work. So our ears are done, and cut the yarn, secure the yarn inside our body, and the work